What are you looking for? Welcome back to my YouTube channel Glauxenia. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Today, we're talking about one of my favorite topics, the benefits of journaling for mental health. Whether you're struggling with anxiety, depression, or simply looking for a way to process your emotions, journaling can be a powerful tool for cultivating mental wellness. Section 1. What is journaling? So, what is journaling? Simply put, journaling is the act of writing down your thoughts, feelings, and experiences. It's a way to process your emotions, reflect on your experiences, and gain insight into your thoughts and behaviors. Journaling can take many forms, from writing in a dedicated journal to typing on your phone or computer. The most important thing is to find a method that works for you and to make journaling a consistent part of your self-care routine. Section 2. Benefits of journaling for mental health. So, what are the benefits of journaling for mental health? Here are just a few. 1. Reduces stress and anxiety. Journaling can help you process your emotions and release tension, leading to a sense of calm and relaxation. 2. Improves mood. Writing down your thoughts and feelings can help you identify patterns and gain insight into your emotions, leading to improved mood and reduce symptoms of depression. 3. Enhances self-awareness. Journaling helps you develop a greater understanding of yourself, including your values, goals, and motivations. 4. Supports personal growth. By reflecting on your experiences and emotions, you can gain valuable insights into areas for personal growth and development. Section 3. How to start journaling. So, how do you get started with journaling? 1. Choose a journal that feels comfortable. Whether it's a dedicated journal or a notes app on your phone, choose a method that feels comfortable and convenient for you. 2. Set a regular journaling schedule. Try to journal at the same time each day, whether it's first thing in the morning or before bed. 3. Start small. Begin with short entries, even just a sentence or two, and gradually increase the length and depth of your entries as you become more comfortable with the process. 4. Make it a habit. Try to journal at the same time each day, so it becomes a consistent part of your self-care routine. Section 4. Overcoming common obstacles. So, what are some common obstacles that might prevent you from starting a journaling practice? Here are a few. 1. Fear of writing. You might feel like you're not a good writer or that your writing isn't interesting. Remember, journaling is for your eyes only, so don't worry about grammar, spelling, or syntax. 2. Lack of time. You might feel like you don't have enough time to journal. Remember, even a few minutes a day can be beneficial, so try to find a time that works for you. 3. Difficulty getting started. You might feel like you don't know where to start or what to write about. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to journal, so just start writing and see where it takes you. And that's it. I hope this video has inspired you to start a journaling practice and experience the many benefits it has to offer. Remember, journaling is a journey, not a destination, so be patient, kind, and compassionate with yourself as you explore this powerful tool for mental wellness. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more mental health and self-care content.